These viral cat videos have been trending both on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I mean, they're all over the place. So, in today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate your own viral cat video. So, this is being done with complete free AI tools. Both the scripting, the image generation, the animation, all of them are being done with what? Free AI tools. So do well to stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any video whenever it drops on our channel. So guys, let's dive into the class. Guys, the first step to make this kind of videos is to get a well-detailed prompt. Without the right prompt, you cannot get a perfect image of your cat. You cannot just go to chat GPT and tell it generate an image of cat for me. Don't do that. So here is the prompt I gave to chat GPT. I pasted this very long prompt. Then I asked it to redefine it for me, right? So I'll be pasting the link to my Telegram channel in my description box. So if you're interested in knowing the kind of prompts I use, click on the link to access my prompts, and then you can tweak it to your choice so you can generate your own cat's image. So this was what I gave to chat GPT. Fortunately, it redefined it for me, both the atmosphere, the emotions, everything. It's redefined it for me. So guys, the next step is to generate our images. For this particular step, I'll be using 3 different apps to show you what they generated. The main reason I'm showing you the 3 different apps is for you to know that you are not limited, right? You can generate as much pictures as you want without any limit. So the first one is Chat GPT. So I've pasted the prompt in ChatGPT, the prompt we generated, and let's allow ChatGPT to generate it for us. As you're waiting for ChatGPT to generate it, we have to copy the same prompt and go over to another image generation app. The second image generation app we'll be using is called Leonardo AI. So we are going to compare and contrast between the images generated by ChatGPT and the one generated by Leonardo, and the third one I'll mention now. Which one is better? So you guys will help me compare and contrast. Then you drop your comment in the comment section. So I've pasted my prompt and I have to change the aspect ratio. You click on this place, then you have to change it to 16 by 9. Remember, this is for YouTube. So if you are doing it for TikTok, you can change it to 9 by 16, right? So after that, we now click on generate. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at our cat. She's looking so fine. We just have to long press this and save it, and voila, our image is downloaded. So the third image we'll be using to generate our picture or our image is called Whisk AI. Whisk AI. I've made a tutorial on how to generate consistent images using Whisk AI. So if you have not watched that video, I'll paste it here so you can go and watch it. If you want to be serious with your content creation journey, you should make use of Whisk AI. It is a free tool. So this is what the interface of Wix looks like. You have to tap on browse gallery and you have to sign up if you haven't signed up. You have to now click on enter tool. Then you have to paste in that prompt. Remember, we've copied it from Chat GPT, and we have to click on this place to change the aspect ratio. It's already in landscape, that which is 16 by 9, the one that's suitable for YouTube. If you're using this particular thing or this particular video for TikTok, you can change it to 9 by 16. So having done that, we now click on this arrow to generate our image. Oh, see our cat. This is so beautiful, guys. Don't you think so? This is so beautiful. So between the one generated by Leonardo and this one, which one is better? I want to know your answers in the comment section. Let's check on our chat GPT. And wow, this is beautiful. I think ChatGPT won. No, I think ChatGPT won. Then you just have to click on save, and voila, your images are ready. So this is how you continue until you are done generating your images. So the next step is to tell ChatGPT to generate your scene prompts. By scene prompt, I mean you tell it the story you want it to generate the images for you. Do you get? Like now, the story I want to tell is the story of a mother cat with her kitten. She always takes the kitten to school. The kitten was serious with her studies, and at the end of the day, the kitten made the mother cat proud. So your own story may be a poor cat who later became rich. Like, be creative. Find your own story and tell, right? So I've already given the ChatGPT my prompt, and this is the concepts or the scenes it generated for me. Scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it generated 7 scenes for us. So we have to go to scene 1, then copy and go over to our image generation app. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using Whisk AI for the image generation. Then go over to our Chrome browser and type Whisk AI. So there it is. You click on the first one, click on Browse Gallery, you enter tool. Then there's something we have to do for our image to remain consistent. You go to add images. Click on this particular place they said upload image. You have to upload that image you generated. So this is it. Then we have to put in our prompt and click on this arrow and allow it to generate our second image for us. So can you see the face consistency is there, the uniform, the clothes they are wearing is there. Do you get? So you see, for you to have consistent image, make sure you lock it before you start generating with Whisk. Other AI tools don't have this feature. So Wix for me is the best. So what you have to do is to long press and save, and voila, your images are ready. To access Grok, you have to go to your Chrome browser, or if you want to download it, you can download it from your Play Store or from your Apple Store. Grok is a free tool, right? So this is what the interface looks like. When you get to this place, you go to Imagine. Then we have to import our cat's pictures. So here is our prompt. I said, the mother cat says, "Good morning, sweetie. Let's get your bag ready for school." Then we click on this arrow and allow it to generate.
Good morning, sweetie. Let's get your bag ready for school.
This is how you continue until all your images have been converted to video. So now that we are done converting our images to video, the next step is to edit. And the app we'll be using is InShot app. We tap on video, tap on new. Then we have to bring in all our videos, right? We have to bring them in, then merge them. Then I have to edit, crop out the places that are not good. You can input your text, add your animation, add your sounds, things that can spice up the video, right? So make it to be very interesting. I want you to be very creative while editing. So I'll play it once I'm done editing. So guys, here is the final results.
Good morning, sweetie. Let's get your bag ready for school.
Yay, I'm so excited today.
Ready for school, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy.
Let's get going then.
Yay.
That's my good kitten. I love you, okay? Be a good girl in school.
I love you too, Mommy. Have a good day.
Remember, listen carefully and have fun, okay?
I will, Mommy. I'll learn so much.
I'll be right here waiting for you after class. Congratulations, my brilliant little one. I couldn't have done it without you, Mommy. You did all the hard work. Today is yours. Good morning.
So guys, this is beautiful, right? This is so nice. So you can try out your video, you can try out your own story. It is very short because this is for tutorial purposes. Yours can be longer, right? So you can create this with free AI tools. So do well to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video because many people are confused about how these particular AI cat videos are being made. So do well to share. And if you're interested in the prompts I used in generating the video, the images, check the description box. I dropped the link to my Telegram channel there. Then you can access my prompts from there. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mwah.